Welcome to Speed Zone. Today we are diving into the ultimate symbol of luxury and road presence. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach. Known as the king of luxury motorhomes, the Prevost Liberty Coach combines cutting-edge engineering with the highest levels of craftsmanship, making it more than just a motorhome. It's a rolling palace designed for those who demand the absolute best in comfort, performance, and design. Asterisk from the outside. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach immediately captures attention with its bold and commanding presence. Its exterior design is both futuristic and elegant, blending modern aerodynamic lines with the traditional grandeur associated with Prevost. The body is built on Prevost's legendary motorhome platform, crafted from stainless steel and high-strength aluminum, ensuring unmatched durability and safety. The striking paintwork is created using multi-layer custom graphics that are hand-applied, giving each Liberty Coach a truly unique identity. LED accent lighting wraps around the body, giving it a sophisticated glow at night, while the flush-mounted panoramic windows blend seamlessly into the exterior, offering both privacy and style. Asterisk, the exterior storage compartments showcase Liberty Coach's commitment to practicality alongside luxury. They are vast, electronically operated, and lined with premium materials, ensuring space for everything from golf clubs to outdoor lounge sets. Integrated awnings extend smoothly at the touch of a button, providing shade and shelter for outdoor relaxation. A built-in entertainment center, complete with high-definition TV and sound system, transforms the exterior living space into an open-air lounge, perfect for gatherings on the road. The rear design is equally impressive, featuring sleek LED taillights and a sculpted finish that adds to its commanding road presence. Asterisk, step inside, and the 2026 Liberty Coach immediately feels like a high-end penthouse suite on wheels. The interior is a showcase of Liberty Coach's craftsmanship, with each model fully customized to its owner's taste. Premium Italian leathers, exotic wood veneers, and polished metal accents dominate the cabin, creating an atmosphere of elegance and exclusivity. The lighting system is fully integrated, with customizable ambient LED settings that can transform the interior mood with a touch. The living area offers oversized recliners, a spacious lounge sofa, and the latest in smart home integration, allowing full control of lighting, climate, and entertainment through touchscreens or voice command. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including induction cooktops, a full-sized refrigerator, and seamless cabinetry that hides storage elegantly. The master suite features a king-size bed with luxury bedding, a walk-in wardrobe, and an ensuite bathroom with marble finishes, rainfall shower, and even heated flooring. Despite its lavishness, the design focuses heavily on space optimization, ensuring maximum comfort during long journeys. Asterisk, performance is where the Prevost Liberty Coach sets itself apart from traditional motorhomes. Built on the proven Prevost Motor Coach chassis, the 2026 edition is powered by a robust Volvo D13 engine paired with an advanced, automatic transmission. This powerhouse delivers smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency for its size, and enough torque to handle any terrain with ease. Liberty Coach has also integrated advanced suspension technology, providing a ride so smooth that even long hours on the road feel effortless. The steering is remarkably responsive, making this massive motorhome easier to handle than one might expect. Asterisk, safety is at the forefront of the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach. It comes equipped with advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring both safety and confidence when navigating highways or tight spaces. Braking performance has been enhanced with electronic stability systems, giving peace of mind even when maneuvering in demanding conditions. Asterisk, in terms of technology, the Prevost Liberty Coach is a rolling smart home, It integrates the latest in connectivity, offering satellite internet, multiple 5G antennas, and a fully networked system that allows passengers to stay connected anywhere. The entertainment system includes multiple large OLED displays, immersive sound systems, and seamless streaming capabilities. Asterisk overall. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is the pinnacle of luxury travel. It combines unmatched design, high-end comfort, world-class performance, and advanced technology into a single package. For those who want the ultimate freedom without compromising on luxury, the Liberty Coach remains the gold standard. It is not just a motorhome, it is a lifestyle statement on wheels, redefining what it means to travel in absolute luxury. This is Speed Zone, bringing you closer to the most exclusive machines in the world. And the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is certainly one that sets the benchmark in luxury motorhomes. Asterisk.